Part 2 of 3. 7 questions on RAG. 15 seconds each. Pause if you want longer. Why do RAG systems retrieve top K chunks instead of just the single best match? Because your ranking is not that good, and you should design as though you know it. The single top result is frequently not the best one, and plenty of real questions need facts from 2 or 3 different places to answer at all. Pulling 5 or 10 chunks is cheap insurance against being slightly wrong about the order. You're hedging deliberately. What is hybrid search in RAG? Running semantic search and old-fashioned keyword search together. And it works because their weaknesses are opposite. Embeddings grasp meaning but are surprisingly bad at exact strings. Search for error code X4021 and the vector search returns things that are vaguely about errors. Keyword search finds that code instantly and understands nothing. Neither is sufficient, together they cover each other. Does RAG eliminate hallucination? No, and it introduces a subtler problem while fixing the obvious one. Grounding the model in real text does reduce invention. But retrieve the wrong document and the model will now give you a confident, well-reasoned, cited wrong answer. That is genuinely harder for a human to catch than an unsourced hallucination, because everything about its presentation says trustworthy. Retrieval returns nothing relevant. What should a well-built RAG system do? Say it doesn't know. And systems get this wrong constantly, because it feels unhelpful. But think about what the alternative actually is. The user believes they're getting an answer grounded in your documents, and instead they're getting the model's general recollection wearing your company's voice. Silently falling back doesn't just fail, it fails invisibly, which is worse. When should you fine-tune instead of using RAG? When you want to change how the model behaves rather than what it knows. Fine-tuning teaches time, tone, output format, or way of responding. RAG supplies facts. People reach for fine-tuning to inject knowledge and it goes badly every time. It's expensive, it's stale the moment your documents change, and you can't cite it. Behavior, fine-tune. Facts, retrieve. What is a reranker doing in a RAG pipeline? Fixing the ordering that fast retrieval got roughly right. Vector search compares to embeddings computed entirely separately, quick, but it never actually reads the query and the document side by side. A reranker does exactly that, which is far more accurate and far too slow to run on your whole corpus. So you retrieve 50 cheaply, then rerank those 50 properly. Cheap and wide, then expensive and narrow. Why does document metadata matter in RAG? Because similarity can't answer the questions that will get you in trouble. An embedding has no idea that a document is 3 years out of date, superseded, or belongs to a team this user isn't on. Those are metadata questions, and you need them at query time, permissions especially. A RAG system that retrieves documents a user shouldn't see is a data breach with a chat interface. That's part 2. Part 3 picks up right where this left off. It's linked below, along with the full episode.